Welcome to PayXpert's Tech Talks. Today's topic is the back office and how to filter your invoices. It's super easy to use the filter bars in the back office. If you want to search for invoices, you go to Accounting, Invoices, and the standard filter bar will appear. Every filter bar in the back office includes a filter button which you click after you've set your parameters, or the reset, which clears everything's. Now let's look at a quick example on how to check for pay to invoices. First, you would click in status, type in paid. Why don't we put in a date range? You can even put a time and be more specific, and click filter. Now your list of paid invoices should appear on the screen, and then press reset to start again and search for something else. That's all for right now on this topic. Please like this video and subscribe to the PayXpert YouTube channel for more great tutorials.